I had this idea to have a Friendsgiving, and this is something where I am personally practicing commitment and discipline and following through with things, because I have a lot of great ideas and I just feel as though the commitment aspect has been something that's gotten in the way for me a lot. And so when I had this idea, I was like, okay, this year I'm not gonna flake, I'm gonna follow through. And so I put the plan into motion. You know, I wrote down what I want the menu to be, I wrote down who I wanted to invite, and just really took initiative to make this happen. I digress. Let's get into the event and the preparation that went into it.
Okay, I am looking at the Christmas Mediterranean food. So what are we looking at? So I'm just mixing the mixture that I made. It doesn't look so pretty, but does she smell pretty? It smells really good. So it's just dates, cilantro, onions, and water, and serena. Yes, and I'm mixing everything in like layer by layer so I can make sure that I don't have too much of it. And the rest will be Christmas. Look at this. When I become like a full fruitarian, this is how my house. I don't even think I'll have a fridge, but this is how it will look. Right, literally.
Okay, yes. Okay, will I hear writing? Oh, okay.
She's marinating.
Yes. Can y'all smell it through the phone?
Spanish moss on the willow, summer sweat on my skin. Sun on the Mississippi, singing along with the can I thought I lost. Yeah,
Wanna try it?
on God. Cause these days we ain't even get to say bye no more. So I'ma stop screening your calls, and I'ma stop saying I'm busy when really I'm roaming the city, just dreaming of how I'm gonna get out of here. Dreaming of moving down to New Orleans, laying some roots down, but I would go anywhere.
So far we have
Ital stew, just a bunch of vegetables, kidney beans, chickpeas, curry rundown, coconut, sardines. This looks so good. It smells so good. And we have jerk tofu. Vegan mac and cheese. Angles.
I would go anywhere.
So it's post Friendsgiving, and honestly, my heart is so full. I am so grateful that I got to host an event for my friends, and I got to meet some new friends, and just really happy with the way everything turned out. There was a realization that I was having while we were all at the table and just laughing and having great conversation, was that when you nourish someone, you can kind of see the love that you put into your food going through them. And that for me, a moment of realizing that you have to be very conscious about not only what you're putting into your body, where you're getting it from, but also when you're preparing it, knowing that you are essentially transferring energy to another being. And I felt as though all the food that we made was made with so much love, and that definitely showed when we were all at the table. So very grateful for that. Not only was the spread 95% vegan, it was 100% delicious, and I am definitely going to be doing this more often. I think feeding people, nourishing people, great laughter, and being around good people is just the epitome of this experience that we were gifted. So you will be seeing a lot more of those from me. Anyway, this was such a successful Friendsgiving, and this was such a successful Friendsgiving, and there will be more to come.